shit. Ah! Oh, wait. That shit just felt wonderful. Oh, what the fuck was that? Oh, hell no. You wanna fight? Oh, whoa. Oh. Mm-hmm. Why? That's how you pop that area? Because I feel that area get tight all the time.
What is going on, crack addicts? Welcome back to the channel. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be posting a wide variety of chiropractic adjustments from some of your favorite chiropractors with some new additions. Also, all of their links will be in the description. That's where you can check them out directly. Now, let's get into it, and I'll see you on the next one. Up next, we have Dr. Mohammed Shalabi.
Oh, what the fuck was that? Oh, hell no. You want to fight? Shit. Oh, Lord Jesus. Shit. Oh, no. Doctor, you. Ooh. Oh. Nah, it helped out. Oh, I felt it like, I want to cry. Come on. Ooh, I just almost hit you. Because there's some fighting shit right there. Ooh, goddamn. Oh, Lord. Jesus, you're going to make my life. You're going to owe me a feel. Oh, God. Oh, shoot. Okay, I'm ready. Oh, oh shit, what the fuck? Oh, jeez, my legs. I kick people with you, baby. Oh, God, my lashes is going to be off until my legs.
And out.
Ah! What the fuck? Nah, you can't keep pushing on me. I want to fight. Oh, Lord, jeez. Oh. Oh, 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 shit. Oh, you see, you good. You know you supposed to move because I almost hit you. Oh, shit. Oh, Lord Jesus. It's so much. Oh, the fuck? Oh, oh, Jesus, Lord Jesus. Oh. God, I was with you today. I ain't fight you. Pulling and yanking on me. Oh, no, but it feel better, though. I swear, though. Oh, Lord Jesus. Oh, I'm scared to get up. Now you. Ooh. Is my lashes still on? Oh. Whoa. Oh my God. Oh. I haven't had this neck like in a month. Oh my God. You the man. You said I was gonna be okay. You the man. Oh my God. This really just happened. I don't know if I want to cry because I'm happy or like, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Now I see why everybody was laughing. Oh my God, Dr. Shalabi. You one of God's angels. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. Oh my God. And you just standing back in the corner because you know you doing this shit. You so wrong.
Okay, I'm ready. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I just paid for a new bag. You hot. You're so wrong. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
And out. Deep breath in and out.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, wait. That shit just felt wonderful. That just felt wonderful.
Deep breath in and out.
Oh, that one felt so good. That one felt like that just released this whole area right here. That one felt.
Push.
Oh. Mm-hmm. Why? That's how you pop that area. Cause I feel that area get tight all the time. And if that's that simple, I'm gonna be home like. That felt wonderful. Oh shit! That was the one. I don't know what to do. That, ooh, I feel it all in my shoulders. It didn't hurt though, y'all. I promise. It just was surprising, like, but it feel good. Like, I feel all of this just loose. That's not funny because I don't think I'm gonna be able to get mad after today.
Push.
Oh my God. Ooh, I've been needing it. I bet you I could do my split. I bet you I could do my split now. Wow. That's crazy. Ooh, I wasn't expecting all of that. Oh, this is not a game. Ooh, baby, y'all should have been came. I'm sorry. Forgive me. My body, you, thank you. Okay. Wow. Yeah, that. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's like, so you did it for this side, right? Oh yeah, I can definitely turn more. I could. Okay, wow. Yeah, and it's definitely tighter over here. Okay. All right. Oh. It really is. I gotta wait to turn my neck on this one. Okay. I'm gonna do the same side as the first one. Okay. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay. Wow.
You did it.
Wow. And it opened up something. Like I have like really bad sinuses at times, and yeah, right in here. All right, 2 thumbs up. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, even this.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more.